Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable Snapchat calls. So if someone calls you, and those calls annoy you, you can just turn off calls from that person and I will show you that process. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First let's open a Snapchat app on your device. And then go to swipe on right side, to open chats. Now you can see all your friends, and you need to long press on someone you want to mute calls. When you do that you will come on this menu with this options, and you need to tap on chat settings. And then you will see this option, and go to turn off message notifications, and on that way you turn off calls from that person and also you turn off message from that person, and that is it. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.